Welcome back to NextGen Car Reviews. Today we have an exciting look at the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. In its stunning black color, this SUV has made quite a mark in the market with its combination of sleek design, advanced technology, and comfortable driving experience. We will take you through everything from exterior styling to interior comfort, performance, safety, and tech features so you can see why the Tucson continues to impress car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson in black is truly eye-catching. The deep black finish accentuates the sharp lines and modern styling of this SUV. The front fascia has been redesigned with a bold grille that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The headlights are sleek and integrated with daytime running lights, which not only improve visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. The overall silhouette is aerodynamic yet muscular, making it look both sporty and elegant. From the side, the Tucson has a well-proportioned body that balances height and length perfectly. The black paint complements the chrome accents around the windows and the roof rails, creating a premium look. The alloy wheels come in multiple options, and in black they really pop, giving the vehicle a cohesive and stylish appearance. The sculpted side panels also enhance the sense of movement even when the car is standing still. Moving to the rear, the taillights are connected by a light bar, a modern design trend that gives the car a futuristic look, especially at night. The rear bumper is slightly elevated, which adds to the rugged appeal without compromising on elegance. The integrated exhaust tips and subtle spoiler complete the sporty yet refined look of this SUV. Overall, the black color enhances every design feature, making it look more premium and commanding attention wherever it goes. Inside the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, the cabin has received significant upgrades focusing on comfort, quality, and user experience. The first thing you notice is the spacious layout that comfortably accommodates 5 passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials and provide excellent support for long drives. The front seats are adjustable and offer optional heating and ventilation, while the rear seats have ample legroom and can be folded down to expand cargo space. Speaking of cargo space, the Tucson offers a versatile storage area that can handle everything from groceries to sports gear and even larger luggage for family trips. The rear seats fold flat to create a nearly seamless cargo area, making it practical for weekend getaways or moving items without hassle. The trunk is also equipped with a power liftgate, which makes loading and unloading effortless. The dashboard of the Tucson has a modern and clean layout with intuitive controls within easy reach of the driver. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless connectivity for music, navigation, and communication. The system is responsive and easy to use, making it a joy for tech-savvy drivers. The audio system delivers crisp and clear sound, ensuring that every song or podcast is enjoyable no matter where you are in the vehicle. Hyundai has also upgraded the digital instrument cluster in the 2026 Tucson, providing important information at a glance. The customizable display allows drivers to choose what information they want to see, from speed and fuel efficiency to navigation directions and safety alerts. The steering wheel is multifunctional and wrapped in premium material, allowing easy access to controls without taking your hands off the wheel. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Tucson offers a range of powertrains depending on your preference. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder that produces smooth and reliable power suitable for city and highway driving. For those looking for better fuel efficiency, the hybrid option combines a gas engine with an electric motor, providing a balance of performance and economy. The hybrid system is seamless and quiet, making every drive comfortable and efficient. The SUV features an advanced all-wheel drive system that improves traction in all weather conditions, from rain to light snow. It also offers multiple driving modes that adjust the throttle response, steering, and suspension to match your preferred driving style. Whether you are looking for a sporty drive or a relaxed cruise, the suspension has been tuned to provide a smooth ride over bumps and uneven roads while still maintaining solid handling in corners. Fuel economy is impressive for a vehicle of this size. The standard gas engine offers competitive miles per gallon on both city and highway driving, and the hybrid variant improves this further, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting or long road trips. The fuel tank is adequately sized, allowing for extended driving range without frequent stops, which is a big plus for families or road trip enthusiasts. Safety is a key highlight of the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai has equipped this SUV with an extensive list of standard and optional safety features. The vehicle includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to help prevent accidents and provide peace of mind to the driver and passengers. Additional safety features include rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Hyundai has also reinforced the body structure of the Tucson to improve crashworthiness. The frame is designed to absorb and distribute impact energy efficiently, which enhances passenger protection in the event of a collision. The SUV also received high safety ratings from independent testing agencies, confirming its commitment to keeping drivers and passengers safe on the road. Another standout feature in the 2026 Tucson is its technology and convenience offerings. Beyond the infotainment system, the SUV offers wireless charging for compatible devices, multiple USB ports for passenger convenience, and a hands-free smart trunk option that opens with a simple wave of your foot under the rear bumper. The climate control system is dual-zone, ensuring that both the driver and front passenger can enjoy personalized comfort while rear passengers benefit from separate vents and controls. The Tucson also comes with Hyundai's latest connected services, which include live traffic updates, remote start, vehicle diagnostics, and emergency assistance. These features can be accessed through a smartphone app, making it easy to monitor your vehicle's health and stay connected even when you are away from the car. In terms of driving experience, the 2026 Tucson excels in delivering a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The steering is precise, offering confidence during city driving or on the highway. The brakes are responsive and give a reassuring feel when stopping. The cabin is well insulated from road noise and wind, making every journey peaceful and relaxing even at higher speeds. The SUV also offers a smooth and quiet ride thanks to advanced suspension components and sound-deadening materials throughout the cabin. Passengers will appreciate the comfort and refinement, which are especially noticeable during longer trips. The visibility from the driver's seat is excellent and all controls are ergonomically placed for ease of use, minimizing distractions while driving. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Tucson is the value it offers compared to competitors. The vehicle combines a stylish design, comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and modern technology at a price point that is competitive in the compact SUV segment. Whether you are looking for a daily driver, a family vehicle, or a weekend adventure companion, the Tucson delivers on multiple fronts without compromising on quality or style. In summary, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson in black is a perfect blend of style, comfort, performance, and technology. It has a bold exterior design that stands out on the road, a well-appointed interior that ensures comfort for all passengers, a range of powerful and efficient engines, advanced safety features, and modern tech that keeps you connected and entertained from start to finish. NextGen Car Reviews believes that the Tucson is a strong contender in the compact SUV market, offering both practicality and luxury at an affordable price. It is ideal for individuals, couples, or families looking for a reliable, stylish, and safe vehicle that can handle daily commuting, weekend adventures, and long road trips with ease. Whether you are drawn to the sleek black color, the refined interior, or the advanced tech features, the 2026 Tucson has something to offer for everyone. It provides a confident and enjoyable driving experience without compromising on efficiency, safety, or comfort. The balance of performance, utility, and modern features makes it a standout choice for anyone in the market for a compact SUV. We hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Hyundai Tucson in black. If you are considering purchasing a new SUV, this model deserves serious consideration. It offers an excellent combination of style, innovation, and practicality. NextGen Car Reviews will continue to bring you in-depth reviews, comparisons, and insights to help you make informed decisions when choosing your next vehicle. Thank you for watching NextGen Car Reviews. Stay tuned for more reviews and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We